rainy day. Fresh rainwater. Right, Shelby? Do it, Shelby. Shelby? Shelby, what do you think of the rain? Shelby, what do you think of the rain? You like the rain? Most cats don't like water. Shelby. You like the rain, Shelby? All right, it's May 28th. It's almost June. We got one last little rain. We had thunderstorms, but now we're just down to little rains. Right, Shelby? All right, Shelby. Good boy. Yeah, there's something going down the road. Gotta watch out for those things, Shelby. Shelby. Gotta be careful up there. Shelby. What's this? What's that, Shelby? It's just my finger, Shelby. You fell for it. You fell for it, Shelby. Here, Shelby, let's see. Do you know who that is? Look at that. Shelby, look. You recognize that little cat there? Shelby didn't know himself. Look, Shelby's going to try to get down. Ready?